Hello and welcome back to another video with me. I'm doing some news. Obviously you can see I got a new radar called My Radar. So I'm going to be over here controlling it. So right here, whoa, as you can see, whoa, let's move to the hurricane. Actually, let's zoom. Oh. Yeah, just like that. So, I'm going to come back like a little siren head. But siren heads are real. Beware of siren heads. Alright, so, look, so all this rain is coming from this Category 1 hurricane. As you can see, it a little bit got to the path. And, as you can see, right here, whoa, as you can see, this blue dot right there, yeah, that blue dot right there, as you can see, I don't know why you can see it, right there, yeah, you see where my finger is, it's where I live, and all of this rain is coming from the hurricane. This baby Category 1 hurricane. Now, I mean, look how far it spreads. Oh no, come on you. Ah, there we go. Let's zoom out a lot. So, this is the whole United States. Here, let's adjust time. Alright, so here, this is the entire USA, which is like filled with hurricane rain. As you can see the path, these pieces are going this way because they're getting sucked into the hurricane. And as you can see the hurricane spinning around, and you can see it already hit land. Look at that. It hit, part of it hit land. Yeah, so Texas has some rain, Colorado, Wyoming, New Mexico, and also, I don't know what that is because rain's covering it. And we got an earthquake warning in Mexico. You can see that little rumbling. If you can see that red dot right there, yeah, right here, yeah, that's an earthquake warning. Ah! Yeah, so, oh, there we go. That was trying to foggy. Yeah, so look, there's lots of rain here. And also, so, I think, so, when the hurricane, gets a little closer than that, then, known as Tornado Alley, which is Kansas, I cannot find Kansas. Yeah, which is in the middle of the state, it's like this big, yeah. Yeah, actually, it's this big. Yeah, you can see my finger just went in the ocean because that's part of Tornado Alley. And so that means Texas, Oklahoma, and also Louisiana. Yeah, also Louisiana is also part of Tornado Alley. See? Louisiana. Yeah, and so, yeah, there's, I think that's Arkansas. Yeah, Arkansas is clear. Texas is not clear because we got some rain getting obviously sucked in to the hurricane. And when the hurricane arrives to its destination called our home, we're going to have some tornadoes. And it's unbelievably, every storm I get, I chase. I'm chasing a hurricane and tornado at the same time! Ah! Oh my god. Put you back on the robot. I have to long bust my holder. And so, as you can see, like, look up here. There's some rain. Yeah, there's some rain up here. Yeah, also in the ocean too. Yeah, it just like, yeah, it's like, it's like hopping like, okay. Yeah, so as you can see, so here's what I'm going to do. So, I guess with the umbrella, I think I'm 1% think that I'm not going to do it. If I pick up like immediately, I'm going to let it go and try to catch it and hold it and like hold it tightly as possible, like tighter than I ever did, and then put it down and bring it back into a safe place. I'll chase the tornado. If it gets windy enough that like knocks me over, we take shelter in the closet. And so as you can see, there's lots of rain. Like around here, there's some rain in the sea. There's some rain in the Pacific Ocean. Yeah, so look, so the hurricane was once right here. The hurricane is moving at 9 miles per hour. And so this hurricane is moving at 9 miles per hour. I mean, look at the time. It's 5, 6. Yeah, it ends at 6:40. Yeah, 6:40 p.m. Yeah, so we got what the heck? Computer, will you? Ah, here you go. It's going. Yes. Yeah, so as you can see, the whole North Carolina, the whole USA. Yeah, my mind is like into the NC State because there's bad weather going on. Yeah, we got some rain. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay. Oh no, an earthquake.